Hi, my name is Julie. I'm with Denver Meditation. This week's topic is me who tries to beat and defeat others. When I first reflected on this topic, I thought, that's not me. I don't do that. I'm not a competitive person. Upon deeper reflection, I discovered that throughout my life, my mind has been busy, often unconsciously, doing just that, trying to beat others. As a child, I tried to win the most affection from my parents, beating out my siblings, and sometimes I took delight when they made mistakes and were scolded. Various times in my life, I've tethered my self-worth to success in sports, business, dating, knowledge of current events, creativity, and owning things considered to be superior to others. Sometimes this false mind of trying to beat others was completely trivial, such as wanting to grow more beautiful hydrangeas than my neighbor, or desiring a preferable airline boarding group. In an impressive feat of mental gymnastics, I could still beat others, even if I couldn't, by declaring myself more sportsmanlike, higher-minded, and humble. What a good trick. Through meditation, I practice observing this false mind and throwing it away. I've learned the universal perspective does not recognize beating and defeating, winning and losing. This false mind strengthens my ego and severs the connection I truly desire with others. It is not a true mind. I'm grateful for the chance to further explore this topic and meditate with you today. Kamsahamnida.